Good morning. Our last one in Bali.
For now.
For now. So we thought we'd just do a quick review of our week of, no, 2 weeks nearly.
2 weeks.
Of Bali. Mostly Legian and Ubud because that's where we've been and that's where we stayed. I have got a little notebook because I'm flying today, so I'm a little bit nervous. So I'm going to be tripping over my words, which you'll probably discover. I was about to do, go upstairs and cook, wasn't I?
Yes, instead of pack.
Instead of packing, but there you go. So, Bali, Ubud. Should we start with Ubud?
Sure, that's where we went to
yeah,
first.
Yeah, so what were our views on Ubud?
I like Ubud. It's quieter. Where we were, there are very noisier parts and you can get hassled. But where we were was quite nice.
Yeah, it was lovely. We were hassled by monkeys mostly.
They're intimidating. They really can freak you out. Yeah.
Yeah, and I still haven't got over him stealing my saffron tea. He was a bit of a beast.
Yes.
And then when we thought the baby had fallen in the pool.
Yeah, that wasn't nice at all. That wasn't nice feeling.
And you know,
being helpless, or sort of to do much.
Yeah, but it wasn't a baby; it was a yam, so it was okay. But do you know what I realised afterwards? That Julia went out there with her twanger, looking at all the monkeys to try and get to the pool, because we'd already tried to get to the pool, hadn't we? Previous vlog, scroll down. We tried to get to the pool, and we couldn't because all the monkeys were their teeth at us, so that wasn't good. But what I realised afterwards, as I filmed Julia out there twanging her twanger and trying to get to the pool, it's like I could have actually gone out and helped her, really, couldn't I?
You were the lookout.
I was looking
behind the glass.
Behind the glass, looking out the window, filming you. Yeah. No, but Ubud was lovely. And where did we stay? The
Bali Bohemia.
Bali Bohemia was lovely. Staff were lovely. It was really quirky. Again, scroll down, you'll see the inside. Our first day in Bali. It was beautiful, beautiful, beautiful place. Wasn't it to stay?
Exactly, stunning.
So we'd like to go back there. And I think if I was to come back to Bali, I'd like, not necessarily Ubud, but I'd like to do more of the north, because it's a bit more north from the airport, isn't it, from where we are now.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was nice. It was nice there. I think the only thing, if I just quickly go to tours, was the tour that we did from there. Wasn't great. Again, this is all in our vlogs, but we ended up doing, so be really aware if you're going on a tour, because make sure you're doing the tour that you want to do.
Don't be manipulated.
No. Alex Choppers on Facebook.
Brilliant.
He's the boy to contact, because he will take you, give you a car, and you'll go exactly where you want to go. The tour that we did from Ubud, it literally took us to where they wanted to take us. I won't go over it, but again, scroll down and you'll see. So just beware of your tours, get a good tour guide, and get someone who will take you where you want to go.
We're not green travellers either. We've both travelled extensively, and we still got sucked in, basically.
So just be careful with your tours. But again, it is all on there. This is just a quick review. So then let's go on to Legian, where we are now, and where we spent most of our time. Now, Julia did warn me that when she came here 4 years ago, when she first got this, she went, oh no, what have we done? And even though, but
I won't say the actual words of...
No, but,
yeah.
So you had warned me, hadn't you? But even with that warning, I was like, oh my God, she warned me.
See it in her face.
What are we doing here? But I have to say, from the off, the Rotenjong where we're staying, they were lovely. The staff are lovely. The hotel it's basic, but it's nice. It's okay.
A budget one.
It's a budget hotel, so that's fine. But you got a little bit of a Balinese feel to it as well.
Yeah, you've got beautiful gardens and settings and that.
Yeah, so that's good. And the thing is that I didn't like, it's very busy, although it's not as busy now as it was 4 years ago.
No, far from it.
It's very quiet now, apparently. But as soon as you step out the hotel, you get, bye, or can you get on a bike, or do you want a taxi? It's like relentless all the time.
I don't think anyone walks here, especially the Westerners.
No, we say we're walking, they go, no, take a bike, it's better. No, we'll walk, thank you very much. Especially not getting on your bike with no helmet and no protection, looking at how they ride.
No levers, no.
No. Which actually I'm going to jump, you know what I'm like, I jump all over the place, don't
really?
I? Yeah. Change my mind, jump all over the place. We were talking to one of Alex's drivers, Yandy, weren't we? About the scooters, there's so many scooters here. And about the accident rates, and are there very many accidents? And he said, considering the way people ride and the amount of traffic and scooters on the road, Then no, there's not, because, and another driver had said to us they're quite considerate of each other. Although we didn't find that driver considerate that afternoon when he was in a bit distraught, did we?
Yeah, because we didn't go where we wanted.
No, that wasn't Alex's tour, that was the other tour that we did up in Ubud. So he was saying no, and he said when there are accidents, they're just like little nudges because they're so slow and everyone's going so slow, so it doesn't really matter. He said, but the big accidents tend to happen in the earlier hours of the morning, and it's usually when people have been drinking, and that's when, you know, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. So I said to him, is that mostly like tourists and travellers? And he said, no, not so much now. It's kind of half and half. So it is locals as well, because on a Friday and Saturday night, the locals like to go out to have a drink, and they do have some accidents. So it's sort of, it's not all of us lot coming in. It is other people or the locals as well, and they have a bit of an alcohol binge. So obviously, then we were talking about alcohol, so I had to do a little addiction thing, didn't I? So we were talking, they said that really there's the binge drinking at the weekend, but there's not really in these kind of areas an ongoing alcohol problems. He said maybe in the smaller villages and towns where they make their moonshine or whatever it's called. Arak. Where if they make that and home brew, then maybe there may be some problems. But there is problems with drugs here. So although marijuana and marijuana, that one, cannabis, don't, whatever you want to call it, so it's easier for me to say. Although that, I couldn't even bring the CBD oil in, could I? I had to send it home. It's back safely in England, so that's good. Although it's banned here, there is, you know, cannabis smoking does go on. But there's also a powder that he said that is people are really addicted to. He didn't know the name of it in English, but it is a powder, but it is quite a problem here at the moment. But fortunately they do have rehabilitation centres, and the police, if they catch people, will get them into rehab, although others will just take backhanders and forget about it. So
that's worldwide.
That's worldwide, that's nothing just to do with here. So anyway, I went off on a little tangent, didn't I? So we went from scooters to accidents to addiction. I do jump all over the place, yeah. You're going to miss me jumping all over the place like a kangaroo. Every time you see a kangaroo when you're home now, you go, no, it's Karina, like...
With an umbrella?
Yeah. Oh, we've got to get a photo of the umbrella. I actually took an umbrella out last night because it was raining. And what happened? It didn't rain.
Well, a few
really?
Spits, yeah.
So that's what I need to do, is take an umbrella everywhere. Well, you take an umbrella, take your phone out, and then it'll be fine. It won't rain. You think?
When we go to out in Mongolia or Saudi Arabia or somewhere where it doesn't normally rain.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It'll probably still rain when I get there.
Probably.
Yeah. Okay. So anyway, it's back to
your book.
My book. So first, hassle shopping we were talking about as well, weren't we? So shopping on scooters and getting used to rides and taxis and that. So when I first got here, I hated it. Felt really harassed. I didn't even want to step outside the hotel. I couldn't step. I just like until Penny said to me, Karina, you got to remember they're not coming from a place of harassment. Although it can feel like harassment, they're actually coming from a place of wanting to earn some money. And when we went out shopping, I was okay. I enjoyed it.
Yeah, and you went out shopping again and again and again, and went out to buy a bag to put your souvenirs in, and then filled it up.
Yeah, before I got back to put the souvenirs in it.
Yeah.
I'm absolutely dripping here. Look. It's a bit hot this morning. We're very glamorous, aren't we? Well, you are. Look at you. How come you're not sweating?
I'm used to the heat. It's humidity that gets me.
Wow.
The heat's okay. There's an everyday occurrence where we live, but it's the humidity that really has been getting me. Yeah.
Even my hair's getting me. Oh, I'm such a fox, aren't I?
Well, I mean, your summer temperatures is like our winter temperatures in Australia, so you know. It's like,
yeah, we diversified a bit.
You did that too, yeah.
We diversified again. It's gonna be a good day. The thing is, I've got to get on a plane later and get myself to America from Bali, all on my own. Julie's gonna come to the gate with me. I've got no special assistants booked yet. I hope they're going to give me some. Yeah. If not, who knows where I'm going to end up.
You'll get there.
It's a magical history tour.
You got to Australia. You went to Cambodia on your own. So
I did. It'll be alright.
You can do it.
It'll be
braver than you think you are, Piglet. That's just not what you do.
little snort laugh.
Oh look, there's a fern up there.
Right, anyway, so, oh yeah, this is funny. Last night I went out with my washing, which incidentally you're now balanced on. It's all nice and clean now, but that's what you're balanced on at the moment is my washing. And as I was walking past the shop with my dirty washing, they weren't trying to get me into the shop, they were going, laundry, washing, trying to get me to go in with my washing. I'm like, I'm not going to give you all my dirty washing. I'm going to the laundry up on the corner, which is brilliant, by the way.
They were good.
They are really good.
Lovely
So,
folded.
yeah.
My clothes didn't know what was happening to them.
No.
They never normally folded
No, I
all
know.
nice and
yeah,
you know,
they were good.
sprayed with the
Yeah.
lovely smelly stuff.
So that was good, wasn't it? I haven't got a photo of the laundry or anything, but it's pink and it's on the corner on the way out.
Royal Padma.
Oh, there you go. Oh, get you. Should have come to America with me.
Yeah.
Oh, beach. What have to say about the beach? So, the sand's lovely
When you can see it.
when you can see it, and the sea's lovely and warm, but it's covered in litter. So there's don't come into Legian thinking you're going to walk along getting lovely
Pristine
seashells
Balinese
and lovely
beaches.
beach, because you're not. There's just litter
It's
everywhere.
disgusting. It's sad. It's disgusting.
Yeah, it's very. But then interestingly, so if you look at Bali on the map, so I'm going to look at it your way, it comes down like this. So we are this side, we're not our side. Julie's looking at me. The way we're looking at this map that I'm drawing for these
Right.
people, we're that side.
Don't
But the
you know
way,
where you are?
Right,
'Cause
like
I've gone round the bend already,
Yeah.
so I know.
I just don't know why. So we're this side, so it's all washing up that way. But if you come around that side, but I suppose if I say the east side, I know it looks like our west right now, but it's their east side. Yeah.
Anyway, I think I've got a few more grey hairs.
The beach there was lovely.
Yeah.
Down at Nusa.
Yeah.
Actually, it's on the little island bit that juts out the bottom, isn't it?
Yeah.
And that was beautiful. The beach there was absolutely lovely at Nusa.
There was a bit of a reef or a sandbank out because that's where the waves were.
Yeah.
So maybe they get caught or washed
Yeah.
past that bay as well. Not
But
sure.
that's nice. So that was nice
Yeah.
over there. So I think
So,
hotel.
please, if you visit any country, you go to the beach, what you take with you, you bring back out. Do not dump it.
No, it's horrible.
It is hot. It's disgusting. You parasite on your environment.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
so, yeah,
not
that's,
good.
and that's the bush or the beach, anyway.
Yeah. So the other thing is hotel staff.
They've been amazing everywhere. Yeah.
Lovely, really, really nice. Can't do enough for you. They're all really kind. They speak really good English as well, don't
They
they?
speak a lot better English than we speak Indonesian.
Definitely, and they don't mind trying to teach us a
No.
few words here and
No.
there, even though you can't very often pick
Pronounce
them up.
them,
No, tiramisu.
What was yours? Salamat Piggy or whatever it is? Salamat
Salama Peggy. Salama Peggy doesn't mean good morning. Salama Peggy.
Salamat Piggy. It's like Piggy or
Salama
whatever you
Peggy.
say.
Salama Peggy?
Yeah,
Or it might be Salama
so we're
Peggy.
not on that
Something
one.
like that. We don't know. Okay. Right. Okay, so hotel and food.
Mixed on that. We've had some really nice ones and really bleep ones. One that we waited an hour for a bit of fried rice, and it was
It was a sea-
filling. It was very
Yeah,
filling.
but yours was a seafood rice, and you had just normal rice with one prawn on the side.
Yeah, it was filling, but that's had no flavour, and we waited an hour for it,
Yeah.
and it was like, really,
Yeah, that wasn't good.
that wasn't that good.
And I'm fed up with rice.
I'm over rice at the moment, yeah.
Dead over rice. So, and as much as we've tried to do gluten and dairy free, we've definitely been spiked a few times.
A little
so,
bit, not majorly,
No.
but yeah, a few instances of feeling a bit,
Bleh.
yeah.
So, but what was really good when I went to Nusa is met Gerard, he wrote it all down. Fred, yeah. He wrote it all down to me, didn't he, of
Yeah.
what to avoid, and I've added to that. So I've got a good list now, and since we've been showing that to people, they really understand.
Sure.
Because I think the problem was a lot of the time there's food we missed out on because as soon as we couldn't have wheat flour, they were looking at corn flour, coconut flour, all different flours. And as soon as we couldn't have milk, we were trying to explain we can have coconut milk and almond milk. So, but you got some glute guard, haven't you?
Yes, and whether it's worked or it hasn't, I don't know because I've only taken it a few times. But whether the meal that I would have had actually had any in it, I don't know. So
yeah.
it's unless I took a tablet and ate battered fish and chips or something like that, knowing full well that I can't. That's probably the only way I'm going to tell, and I'm not prepared to do that.
No,
it's
no.
not at the moment. It's like,
But we did chat, didn't we, back in Australia at yours, who is actually celiac, and he takes Blue Guard. He said it does help. It doesn't, you know, get rid of it all, but it does help. And I know there is a dairy one.
there
as
is.
well,
I read
that you
up
take.
about it the other night.
Yeah,
There's
a dairy one. But the thing is, you have to take them before you eat your meal.
Yeah.
So it's no good thinking, oh God, I think taking something to take
Too
it
late.
afterwards. Too
Yeah,
late.
it makes I think the Blue Guard's a poor enzyme or something in it, and it puts like a coating on something in your stomach.
Don't know. There you go. So, anything else you want to say about Bali?
I'll be back.
I'll be back, yeah. I think though, definitely
Different
north.
areas, yes.
So definitely north. I want to do more temples.
Yeah.
This has been nice. It's nice in Legian to have kind of like a bit of beach holiday. We've been a couple of times, haven't we? 3 times we've been to the beach since we've been here. But if you're like a pool holiday, relaxing, a bit of shopping, just chilling, the few little tours, then that's good. But I think for the temples
Going
and
out.
stuff, you need to go up north a bit more. You want to go to an island, don't you?
Yeah, I want to go to Lombok.
Lombok Island.
Floors and Komodo.
So yeah, we'll be back. I think the only reason I'd come back to Legian is just to come see the hotel staff if
Sure.
they're still here.
Yeah.
So I might come and dip your toe here.
A couple of nights here
and then
go off.
for that more.
elsewhere.
So, yeah. Because it's not far from the airport here, is it?
No.
So, you know. Anyway, I'm going to miss you.
Don't start.
Don't start. I won't do that on camera. Just
No,
start
I'm not going
crying.
to do that on
Don't cry. Don't cry. It's fine. I would give you a hug, but I'm sweating. Like anything.
I don't care. I'm going to have to give her another.
Oh, she started crying. Don't cry. Don't cry. Anyway.
I'm fine. And you know what fine means, don't you?
Oh yeah, we can't.
And
say
I'm
that
not saying it on camera.
Can't say that on camera.
Look it up.
Can we say it nicely? Flipping, insecure.
Pure, neurotic and emotional.
Yes, flipping,
But the flip-
insecure, neurotic and emotional.
Yeah.
So from us fine girls here, it's ta-da for now.
Yeah, somewhere else around the world.
Yeah, we will be back
We'll be back
together.
somewhere.
Just have to wait and see where we pop up.
Crazy as ever.
Oh yeah.